The Thermaltake Glacier 360 liquid-cooled PC comes with different combination. You can buy one of available ones, but in today's video we will provide Ryzen 5 5600X plus RTX 3060 combo. Dive into the depths of closed-loop cooling performance with the Glacier 360 by LCGS, powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 6-core CPU and chilled with TT cooling performance. Supercharge your graphics with NVIDIA GeForce RTX TM3060 for the latest ray tracing graphics and gameplay. Store more games with 1TB of NVMe.2 storage, packed into a mid-tower chassis with tempered glass and filtration to protect and present. That's it from this short video. For deep review, keep visiting our website techthebyte.com. If you want to buy this pre-built gaming PC, then open the link from description of the video.